So this Samsung event has just been unpacked and we've got some cool new tech from the brand. I'm M Kwan here on M Kwan Reviews, and when it comes to the Galaxy Z Flip, before I show you all the colors to help you decide which one is right for you, let's run through some quick specs. First of all, we're getting refinements to the overall design. Essentially, this year's Flip looks and feels the same, but there are important internal changes to help it feel more like a flagship. So we still have a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display with the main display at 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x with 120Hz refresh. Overall, Samsung are continuing with this industrial design, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Inside, we now get a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. There's a 50 megapixel main and a 12 megapixel ultra wide on the rear and a 10 megapixel selfie. So cameras, particularly on the rear, are now improved. 12 GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 GB of storage. Now I'll test the camera and performance out in my full review, so hit subscribe to see when that video goes live. But this year, the big push has been in bringing Galaxy AI to the Flip series. All those features that were teased in the S24 Ultra, plus some, will now be coming to the Flip range, which is a good move from Samsung. More on those features in a separate video. Now let's talk about this year's colors. So we have a few, starting with my favorite, which is this silver color. It's very similar to the look and feel of the S24 Ultra titanium looking, and I think it's certainly going to be a popular color this year. But for those of you that want a splash of summer, then there's this yellow, which actually looks more like a gold to me, and with the black complementing it, yeah. What do you guys think? Comment below. And then there's this blue, which is very, very similar to another color this year called mint. Both of these colors look similar to each other, but they're gonna be nice, and I think you'd win with each one of them. I would have liked to see more vibrant colors this year, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you excited and planning on getting one of these models? And if so, which one? Leave your comment below. Now go check out this other video. I'll see you there. Oh, and follow me on IG to see more from Galaxy Unpacked and exclusives.